Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel where we go over sewing and embroidery tips, tricks, and tutorials. Today I wanted to talk to you about freestanding lace and the fact that I've tried to record this intro like 10 times or more. I'm lying, it's not been 10, it's been more. And I'm running out of time in my day. So actually this is it. This is what you get. Today I wanted to show you freestanding lace embroidery. If you've never done freestanding lace embroidery before, it is really neat because unlike traditional embroidery, where you embroider onto something like fabric or a shirt, you're actually embroidering onto water-soluble stabilizer, and the design, if it's made for freestanding lace, will hold on to itself. And you're left with just thread. So you can make things like jewelry, bookmarks, Christmas ornaments, embellishments for clothing, think like wedding, like garters or doilies, table runners. I even have this OESD Dreamcatcher design that I'm going to be trying out soon. Follow along, I'll make a video. But today I want to do a little tutorial on these cute little in the hoop freestanding lace bow earrings. Bows are all the rage right now. Of course, my daughter wanted these so bad, so we made them together. And this design I got from Adorable by Allison on Etsy. She has a lot of freestanding lace designs that are really, really cute. I will put her shop in the description below, so be sure to check that out. And honestly, it's like when you're not even trying, it's a lot easier to do this intro thing, so bear with me. And yeah, follow along and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to go over some embroidery tutorials or sewing tutorials. If you're a beginner, that's great. I'm here. I've been in the sewing world for a long time now, 15 years plus. I'm just now kind of getting back into it, so follow along with my journey. Today you will need something to hold your water, your hoop for your machine you're going to use. You will need a size 11 needle. I use Schmetz, but whatever brand you like is fine. I have some thread here and a matching bobbin. You want the bobbin to match so it is the same on both sides. Some water-dissolvable stabilizer. I use some light here, but honestly, thicker is better, so I would rather do that. Some scissors to cut it out when you're done, and some hoops for your earrings. First thing you're going to do is hoop your water-soluble stabilizer. Like I said a while ago, you're probably going to want thicker. This allows it not to pucker or pull. I'm going to come over to my embroidery machine, and I'm going to actually slow it down in the settings. You could do it the slowest that it will go, just to be safe. You don't have to, but I like it. I just feel that it embroiders out smoother that way. Since my design is small, I'm copy and pasting multiple in my hoop. That way I can do more at one time. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in my 11 needle. 11 is the best when you are working with thin fabrics or thin stitching. Since the needle is not so big, it doesn't push the thread around and it comes out a lot smoother. Putting my bobbin in, like I said, I want it to be matching with the top thread, since you will be able to see the front and the back of the freestanding lace itself because it's only made out of thread. Alright, so I'm going to hit go on my machine and then we will watch it embroider out. Okay, now that it's done, you will want to pop it out of your hoop and cut close around the design. Now, side note, I did save that extra water-soluble stabilizer because it could go on top of a towel or something that I'm working with, you know, just to recycle there. You want to cut close and
put it in a shallow bowl. Most of the time I use a paper plate, but you know, for this video, aesthetics, right? And I pour my hot water in and I let it soak. I like to kind of shake it around a little bit to get that extra. And then you can actually, when it's dry, press it when it's done. Now, here's a little trick. I use a lighter to burn the extra threads away, but please be careful not to hurt yourself or to scorch your design. That would not be cute. We're going to go ahead and add our earring hardware to the top. For my video today, I use a design by Adorable by Allison on Etsy. I put her shop in the description below, so make sure to check it out.